Are you ready to transform your driving experience? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into 5 of the latest Pioneer car stereos, packed with advanced features like stunning displays, seamless connectivity, and premium audio performance. Introducing the DMH-ZF9350BT, a floating Type 1DEN multimedia AV receiver with a stunning 9-inch capacitive HD touchscreen display. This flagship model from Pioneer's Z-Series is designed to elevate your in-car infotainment to a whole new level. Packed with built-in Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, it seamlessly integrates your digital world into your driving experience. Enjoy full HD video playback directly from a USB device, bringing entertainment to life with crystal-clear visuals. Crafted for audiophiles, this receiver features premium audio-grade components, Pioneer's 52-bit triple-core DSP, for X50W power amplification, and the innovative Pioneer Master Sound Reviver. Together, they deliver a truly immersive high-resolution audio experience. Fine-tune your settings, embrace the richness of high-resolution playback, and rediscover the details in your favorite tracks. With the DMH-ZF9350BT, extraordinary becomes your new standard. Ready to transform your drive? This is more than an upgrade, it's an evolution in sound and entertainment. The DMH-ZF9650BT, Pioneer's ultimate in-car entertainment system, featuring the largest 10.1-inch capacitive HD floating touchscreen display. Transform your driving experience with seamless connectivity, thanks to built-in Wi-Fi and support for both wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Enjoy wired WebLink Cast for added versatility and stay hands-free with Bluetooth connectivity. Immerse yourself in a superior multimedia experience with full HD video playback from USB devices and HDMI input readiness. Need safety on demand? The unit is backup camera ready, providing peace of mind on every journey. Tailor your sound to perfection with the 13-band graphic equalizer and Pioneer's latest advanced sound tuning features. The new Pioneer User Experience Interface, complete with an interactive luminous bar and PX-Link app for UX improvement, ensures intuitive controls and a sleek, modern design. Meet the AVH-Z7250BT, the ultimate in-1DIN DVD multimedia AV receiver designed to enhance your driving experience. Featuring a vibrant 7-inch WVGA touchscreen display, this sleek and compact unit brings entertainment and connectivity to your fingertips. With built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enjoy seamless access to your favorite apps, navigation, and music directly from your smartphone. WebLink support adds even more versatility, keeping your digital world connected on the go. The dual Bluetooth functionality lets you connect 2 devices simultaneously, so you can enjoy hands-free calls while streaming your favorite tunes. Plus, with full HD video playback from USB devices, your in-car entertainment just got better. Step up your in-car experience with the DMH-ZF8550BT, a cutting-edge multimedia AV receiver featuring a stunning 9-inch capacitive WSVGA floating touchscreen display. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and enjoy the flexibility of both wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Access your favorite apps, maps, and music effortlessly, while the split-screen mode lets you multitask seamlessly. With WebLink and WebLink Cast, take full control of your smartphone on the big screen. The direct iPhone control makes managing your music and calls more intuitive than ever. Bluetooth connectivity ensures hands-free convenience, and full HD video playback from USB devices delivers premium entertainment on the go. The DMH-ZF8550BT combines sleek design, advanced features, and user-friendly operation, making it the perfect choice for drivers who demand the best. Redefine your drive with Pioneer's ultimate floating display experience. Introducing the DMH-AP6650BT, Pioneer's 9-inch WSVGA large-screen multimedia AV receiver, perfectly designed to enhance your vehicle. This capacitive display panel delivers crystal-clear visuals and a sleek, perfect-fit design. Stay connected with wireless and wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus wired WebLink Cast for easy access to your favorite apps and videos, including seamless YouTube playback. For added convenience, the DMH-AP6650BT supports OEM functions via selected CAN bus systems, while backup reverse camera compatibility enhances safety on every journey. Want a broader perspective? Pair with a 360 degrees panoramic camera view using an optional adapter for unmatched visibility. Enjoy premium sound with the 13-band graphic equalizer and Pioneer's advanced sound tuning features. The new Pioneer User Experience interface ensures intuitive controls, while a thermal cooling system prevents overheating during long drives. The DMH-AP6650BT, where advanced technology meets flawless design, elevating every drive to a new level. Thanks for watching. Let us know which Pioneer car stereo is your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive tech reviews. Subscribe and stay with SetNFix.